Hello students. In this lecture, we are going to study topic 1.3 and topic name is determinant of a matrix. Determinant is a very important topic in matrix as it is used to evaluate the solution of simultaneous linear equation. It is very helpful. In so many concepts, we use the determinant of a matrix. Okay, determinant we always evaluate for square matrices like 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 and so on. But in your book, we are going to study only 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. So two type of matrices, square matrices. One is 2 by 2, another is 3 by 3. Type of matrices determinant we are going to study here. So first we are going to study the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. What is this? The determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, and matrix is written A, B, C, D, is the number AD minus BC. How we are calculating? The multiplication of this and this number A into D minus how you are going to do? Minus is this one AD minus BC. This is first the product of A and D, the diagonal entries, and then product of other diagonal B and C minus AD minus BC. How to denote the determinant? The determinant is denoted by determinant of A. You can write DET A, or you can make two parallel lines inside A. That means A and these two parallel lines like this one. This is the notation of the determinant. Clear? So first we will solve some questions to understand how to evaluate the determinant. So first we are taking example number 1 is find determinant of A if A equals to is 3, 5, 2, 3 like this one. Clear? So if we want to find the determinant of A, so first write the matrix into determinant form. Determinant form is like this one between the parallel lines. Now it is determinant. Here it is a matrix, but here it is a determinant. Now how to calculate? The multiplication of this and this. 3 into 3 minus. Now multiplication of this into this. 2 into 5. 3 into 3 is 9. 2 into 5 is 10. And 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So the value of determinant of A is negative. Okay. Now we'll take another question. Example number 2. A equals to like 3, 2, 1, 6. If we are taking this matrix, then find the value of determinant of A. You need to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A means write the matrix in determinant form 3, 2, 1, 6. And then multiply 3 into 6. Multiply these two, 3 into 6 minus 1 into 2. 3 into 6 is 18 minus 1 into 2 is 2. 18 minus 2 is 16. Now it is a positive value. In the previous determinant the value was negative. Here the determinant value is positive. Okay, let us choose the example number 3. What is this? If A is equal to let us take one example is 6, 2, not 6, 2, 6, 3, 4, 2. And what you need to do? You need to find the value of determinant of A. Okay, so find the value of determinant of A. It is how much? It is 6, 3, 4, 2 and equals to 6 into 2 minus 4 into 3. 6 into 2 is 12 minus 4 into 3 is 12. The value is 0. Clear? So you can see here we have evaluated three determinant. The first determinant value is negative. The second determinant value is positive, and the third determinant value is 0. What does this mean? It means the determinant can have any type of value, positive, negative, or 0. Clear? But whenever the value of determinant is 0, it has a special significance. Special significance. What is special significance means? What is special importance in the matrix? If determinant is equal to 0, then we study another type of matrix, that is singular matrix. Singular matrix we study in matrix. What is a singular matrix? A square matrix. A square means A equals to Aij m by m is said to be a singular matrix. When we call singular matrix, if determinant of A means determinant of the matrix is 0, and you should note here, if determinant is not 0, if determinant is not 0 means value is not 0, then A is a non-singular matrix. This is clear. So there are two type of matrix you will study in matrices. One is the singular matrix, singular, singular matrix. Another is non-singular matrix. Non-singular means it is non-zero, and 0 means singular. So if we see the previous examples, here the determinant is 16. 16 means it is not equal to 0. So this matrix name is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. This matrix is non-singular matrix. But here, if you can see determinant is 0, that means this matrix A is a singular matrix. Clear? So you need to remember very important concept. If by chance determinant is 0, then the matrix is singular. And if determinant is non-zero, then the matrix is non-singular matrix. Clear? And from this singular and non-singular concept, you will definitely get one question in your every exam. It is quiz, midterm, homework assignment, everywhere you will get a question from the singular concept. What type of question? Okay, let us solve some example based on the singular matrix. Find the value of k if A equals to some matrix we are giving 2x plus 5, 3 is equal to this one. Clear? Is singular. What is the question? Question is you need to find the value of k if the given matrix, this matrix is singular. If the matrix is singular. And please remember what is given equation matrix singular. If A equals to 2x 5 3 7 is singular. If this matrix is singular, what does this mean? This means therefore determinant of A is equal to 0. Please remember this. If a matrix is singular, immediately you should bring determinant of A is equal to 0. You should write this. And if this is equal to 0, that means determinant of matrix. Because if determinant A is 0, so determinant of the matrix is 0. 3, 7 is equal to 0. Now multiply this into this. 2x into 7 minus 3 into 5 is equal to 0. 7 into 2 is 14x. 3 into 5 is 15 is equal to 0. Now shift 15 towards right side. 14x is equal to 15. Divide by 14. This cancel. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 15 upon 14. This is how we find the value of x. Okay, but here by chance I have not written k, I have written x. So find the value of x. Question is little bit wrong, I have mentioned. Find the value of x if this is singular. So if this is singular, that means what? Determinant of a is equal to 0, and then you find the value of k, value of x. This is the question. Okay. One more question I will take that asked many times in the exam. What is that question? Question is find, same question, find the value of k if determinant of, if the matrix A equals to k plus 3, it is we can say 4, or you can say 2, 8, k minus 3 is singular. What is the question? Question is you need to find the value of k if this matrix is singular. And when the matrix is singular, very simple thing. In the previous example we learned matrix is singular means determinant of A is equal to 0. And if this is equal to 0, what does this mean? This means is k plus 3, 2, 8, k minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you need to multiply, means open the determinant. Open means multiply this and this. So it is k plus 3 and k minus 3 minus 8 into 2 is equal to 0. Clear? So multiply k into k, k power 2, k into minus 3, minus 3k, 3 into k plus 3k, and 3 into minus 3, minus 9, and 8 into 2 is 16. Plus 3k minus 3k is cancelled. So k square minus 9 minus 16 is minus 25. Clear? So k power 2 is equal to 25. Clear? Now you need to find the value of k power 2 is equal to 25, means find the value of k. So how you are going to do? You need to take square root of both sides. And please remember, whenever we take square root, it is plus minus. If it is k power 3, then there is no plus minus. But if it is k power 2, always plus minus. So this square root is cancelled by 2. So k is equal to plus minus 5. This is the solution. The value of k is either 5 or minus 5. So if in the exam this question is coming and there are 4 options are given, and first option is 5, another is minus 5, another is plus minus 5, another is 0. Clear? Some student just k square is equal to 25. So what they will write? They will write 5 power 2 and k is equal to 5. They will pick this is the correct solution. Although this solution is wrong. What is the correct solution? Correct solution is plus minus 5. Because whenever power 2 is there, so 5 power 2 is 25 and minus 5 power 2 is 25. So the square root of 25 are two numbers, plus 5 and minus 5. Please remember this. Please clear your concept. Okay. Now, these were the two questions where you can use singular matrix concept, and definitely one question we are going to ask you in quiz and midterm from this singular matrix concept. Okay, now the next question comes is determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So first of all, we'll write some matrix A equals to, let us write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So my dear friends, I want to tell you there are two methods to evaluate the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Clear? This is method number one, and this is very easy. How to calculate the determinant of A? So we need to calculate determinant of A. So write determinant of A is equal to determinant A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Clear? Now what you need to do is you need to write these two columns same to same. A, B, D, E, G, H. Clear? And after writing this, mark the diagonal. This, and this. These are the only three possible diagonals. And write the value of this. It is A, E, I. Multiplication of A, E, I plus B, F, G plus C, D, H. This is the forward diagonal. Forward means we are moving this one, this side. Clear? There are two type of things. One is this one. This is forward diagonal, and one is this one. This is, you can say forward, and you can say this is backward. There are two diagonals. Okay, forward diagonal, backward diagonal. Okay, now backward diagonal is this one, is this one, and is this one. There are three possible. Now minus CEG minus AFH minus BDI. This is. So this is the way how you can find the determinant of a 3 by 3 order matrix. Clear? Very simple. You need to use these two diagonal, these two columns. You need to copy again. Mark 3 forward diagonal, then mark 3 backward diagonal. Forward diagonal means plus, backward diagonal means minus. Find the value, and that will give you the solution of a 3 by 3 order determinant. Okay, let us write some example. Example number 1. Find determinant of A if A equals to, take some matrix. It is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. This is. So how to find it? Determinant of A equals to, write this in determinant for 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Clear? Now copy these two same columns. It is 1, 2, it is 2, 1, it is 2, 2. And the same like we have in practice, one forward diagonal, second forward diagonal, and third forward diagonal. Okay, so multiply these two. 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1 plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. These are the values of forward diagonals. Now backward diagonal. This one, and this one. These are the three backward diagonal. So minus 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, minus 2 into 2, 4 into 1, 4, minus 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. So you need to multiply the backward diagonal and forward diagonal. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17, minus 4 into 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. So it is 5. So the value of determinant of A is equal to 5. And this type of question you will find in homework assignment, in midterm exam, in final exam for 2 marks. Minimum 2 marks question will come for you. Clear? So you need to practice. This is method number 1. Now we'll move to method number 2. How to find the value of determinant using method number 2. Method number 2. So what is the method? First we'll write the matrix A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is. Now you need to find the determinant. So to find the determinant, write the determinant at 3 places. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Again you write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And again you need to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Clear? Mark here plus, mark here minus, mark here plus. This is plus, minus, plus. Here will be first entry. Here will be second entry. Here will be third entry. This is, now we are going to expand like this one. Plus the numbers, same to same. Now, A is in first row, first column, cut it. What else? E, F, H, I. Now minus B. It's clear. B is in first row, second column. So D, F, G, I. Plus C. C is in first row and third column. So it is D, E, G, H. Clear? Now it is very simple. Open this, minus this minus this. All these are 2 by 2 size determinant, and you can obtain it very easily. Multiply the values and find the value of the determinant. This is the method. And my dear friends, I want to tell you, in almost every question we are going to use method number 2, because method number 2 is little easy. It is not very difficult. Okay, so let us solve the same question we solved with method number 1. Example 1. It is matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so find the determinant. So copy at 3 places. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. And the last time. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. This is. Now write here plus, write here minus, write here plus. Make the circle first entry, make the circle second entry, make the circle third entry. Now you need to bring them out. Plus 1. And what we are going to have? This cancel. So it is 1, 2, 2, 1. Now minus 2. This 2 outside with sign plus or minus whatever. 2, 1. And then plus 2. This is this 2, 1, 2, 2. This is. Now 1. Now you need to multiply 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 2, 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 into 1, 2. This is. So 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into minus 2 and plus 2 into 2. Now simplify minus 3 minus minus plus 2 into 2, 4. So minus 3 plus 8, and the answer is 5. Initially, this method looks long. It is a very long technique. But while you are going to solve it, shortcut means directly, then it is very brief. It is not a very long procedure question. It is very simple. Now I will solve example number 2 in a very shortcut way. A equals to, it is 2 minus 1 3 0 5 6 2 2 minus 2. This is okay. What is this? If A is equal to this one, find the value of determinant of A. This is the question. Find the value of determinant of A. So determinant of A equals to, what is this? 2. First we'll take 2 plus 2. And what we will get? 5, 6, 2 minus 2. 5, 6, 2 minus 2. Now minus, second number is minus. Then we will take minus 1. Now this cancels. 0, 6, 2 minus 2. And then plus 3. Plus 3 means 0, 5, 2, 2. And whenever you acquainted with this technique, your mind make up with this technique, you can make it little more short. So 2 into 5 into minus 2, minus 10, minus 6 into 2 is 12. Minus minus plus 1, 0, minus 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3, 0, minus 10. So you can think here 2 into minus 10 minus 12 is minus 22, plus 1 into minus 12 is minus 12, and plus 3 into minus 10. This is, so it is minus 44, it is minus 12, it is minus 30. So you can take 56 minus, so 86. This is the value of determinant of A. Clear? So in this video we learned 3 things. One, we learned the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Then we learned determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. And the one and major important concept we learn is singular matrix. What is a singular matrix? In which determinant of A is equal to 0. So these 3 things we have learned in this video. Next video we will learn another topic. Till then, thank you very much.